Kangana Ranaut roped in for a biopic, confirms Hansal Mehta. National award-winning director Hansal Mehta has confirmed that he has roped in actress Kangana Ranaut for a biopic, but it is not about legendary mountaineer Bachendri Pal. Mehta took to Twitter to clarify details about the new project. On Recce, while I am seeing news on a biopic featuring Kangana directed by me. News is partly true. I will be doing a film with Kangana, but the biopic is not about Bachendri Pal. We'll share details soon, Mehta tweeted on Wednesday. The director made his feature film debut with Jayate in 1997, followed by the 2000 release Dil Pe Mat Le Yaar. His last film was City Lights, which released on May 2014, starring Rajkumar Rao in the lead role. He also won a national award for Shahid, which also starred Rajkumar Rao and was released in the year before that.